Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Brunswick Rhino Bowling Ball. With the shelf appeal of the Brunswick Rhino, this has been a long-time favorite of bowlers. A Brunswick Rhino bowling ball only starts with state-of-the-art. From there, everything from core technology to cover stock formulations is developed to heighten, escalate and intensify its performance, and yours. Gear will 16 reactive cover stock. Brunswick light bulb weight black. 500 Sa Royal Compound / Royal Shine factory finish. Our second best bowling balls is Brunswick Tzone Bowling Ball. Brunswick Tzone bowling balls are an inexpensive spare ball for players of all skill levels and an excellent first ball for beginners. Tzone bowling balls feature a long-lasting polyester cover stock that provides straight-line accuracy and consistency. Beginner bowlers can use some of their budget for other necessary accessories such as gloves and bowling shoes because the price is slightly lower. Brunswick Tzone bowling balls are a great straight shot second ball to finish frames for intermediate and expert bowlers. The symmetrical core and low hook potential of the ball provide excellent lane length and ease in consistently finding your spare shot mark. Third in our list is Hammer Black Bowling Ball. This high-performance bowling ball has a matte finish and a solid reactive cover stock that shows off the original black and red colors. This ball has excellent traction in medium to heavy oil conditions, producing continuous ball motion with a wide range of angles. The core of the asymmetric gas mask is wrapped in a carbon fiber outer layer, which provides power and durability. For more experienced bowlers, the Hammer Black Widow 2.0 is recommended. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best bowling balls list is Best White Noise Machine. The purple pearl urethane needs no introduction. This ball is all about giving the bowler ultimate control of the entire lane. Old school technology with new school hitting power. Performance you will certainly enjoy from this ball. The purple pearl urethane uses an updated formula urethane cover stock. We have paired this with the LED core, which is an updated version of the traditional light bulb core shape that had massive popularity. Our last pick is Pyramid Path Rising Bowling Ball. With ever-changing variables within the sport of bowling, this technology allows any bowler, from stroker to two-handed, to achieve peak performance on medium to medium dry conditions. Out of the box, the Path Rising is finished with a 1500 grit polish, offering a clean look through the heads and a sharp ball reaction down lane. Path Pearl Reactive Cover Stock with 1500 grit Abralon / factory Polish finish. Gives benchmark motion on medium lanes. Versatile drilling options for different bowling styles. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!